Hello friends, this is Shane Alam and now we are going to design fourth part of motor blower assembly, a motor. All dimensions are given here, you can see. So now let's start. Select visor plane, sketch, normal, draw a circle here and the diameter of the circle must be 7. Also draw a axis, drop axis down and the length of the axis must be 6.75. Now draw a line again, a horizontal line, and this point and this line must be midpoint, and also the length of this must be 12. Now select a line again and draw a line here and select this line. This circle must be tangent. Okay. Now trim this extra line. Select this line. Go to mirror and select this line. Also trim this extra part and this extra part. Now just go to exit sketch and extrude. Here mirror extend and extrusion is up to 6.5 divided by 2. Preview. Okay, now select this face, go to sketch, normal. Again draw a circle here and the dimension and the diameter of this circle must be also 7. Exit sketch, go to extrude and extrusion is up to 9 minus 6.5. Select this face again, go to sketch, normal, draw a circle here and the diameter of this circle must be of 10. Exit sketch, extrude and this extrusion must be 0.5. Select this face, go to sketch, normal, draw a circle and the diameter of this circle must be 6. Exit sketch, pocket and pocket extrusion should be 9. Preview. Okay. Now you can see. Select this face, sketch, normal, draw a circle here and the diameter of this circle must be 0.75 and the distance from horizontal to midpoint must be 4. Also just select this circle, go to rotation definition, select here 2, select the center point of rotation and here 360 divided by 3. Exit sketch, pocket, up to next, preview. Okay. Now select this, go to sketch, normal, select this, go to insert, operation, 3D geometry. Now just draw an axis from here to here and the length of this axis must be 6. Also draw a line from this point, a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line here and the distance of this horizontal line must be 3. Now choose profile and drop here some fins profile, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Okay, select this, horizontal, just delete it. select a line here to here. Now delete this line, go to profile, here, here, delete also this profile, select here, go to dimensions, select this, and this must be 0.5 and this must be 0.45. Now give all the edges dimensions 0.45, 0.45, this also should be 0.45, this also must 0.45, 0.45, and this also should be 0.45. Now select profile again, select this and drop here. Okay, dimensions, this point you can choose 0.35. Make sure this point not coincide with this line. Now select all the lines, go to mirror, select this, trim, also trim this line and trim this line, go to exit, extrude, and extrude it up to 8.25. You can see our motor has been created. Now just apply some color to it, DS gold, apply, okay, shade it with material. Now just save this, save, yes.